5 best voice recorder apps for Android. Yo! Whether you are a student, podcaster, journalist, or just love recording your random thought, let's check this app. Starting off, we've got Voice Recorder by Quality Apps, with a rating of 4.9 and over 50 million downloads. This app is super lightweight, but don't let that fool you. The audio quality is top-notch. You can record meeting, lecture, or even music without background noise getting in the way. It also comes with tools like trimming, renaming files, and organizing everything neatly. The best part, it supports multiple formats like MP3 and WAV, which most free apps don't. Perfect if you want a clean, no-fuse recorder that just works. Next up is Easy Voice Recorder with a rating of 4.7 and over 50 million downloads. And yeah, the name says it all. This app is all about convenience. You can record with one tap and even use a widget on your home screen. It's perfect for students who need to record lectures or professionals taking quick voice notes. The sound quality is super clear, and you can even choose between low, medium, and high quality recording. What I personally like is the cloud backup feature. Your recording can sync automatically with Google Drive or Dropbox. No more worrying about losing your files. Next, Voice Recorder by Simple Design, with a rating of 4.8 and over 10 million downloads. This one is sleek, modern, and looks great on any Android phone. It's designed for high-quality sound recording, like interviews, podcasts, or music rehearsals. The apps automatically adjust volume level to keep your recording consistent. And here's something unique. It has a built-in audio editor, so you can cut, crop, or share your clip directly. It's perfect if you want both simplicity and control over your sound. Next is Voice Recorder by Samsung Electronic, with a rating of 4.6 and over 1 billion downloads. If you are using Samsung smartphone, you probably already have this one, but if not, you can still grab it from the Play Store. This app is one of the best because it's optimized for Samsung microphone, so your voice sounds incredibly clear. It's offers 3 recording modes: standard, interview, which record from both mic, and speech-to-text mode. Yeah, you heard that right. It can actually convert your voice into text, which is amazing for notes or transcriptions. It's clean, reliable, and perfect for productivity lovers. And last but not least, we have Voice Recorder by Diary Apps, with a rating of 4.8 and over 10 million downloads. This one is all about organizations. You can record, label, and even add text or notes to your audio clips. It's ideal for people who record a lot and want to stay organized. It also comes with noise reductions and background recording, meaning you can record even when your screen is off. Plus, you can easily trim and share files directly to social media or email. It's like an all-in-one audio toolkit for creators. If you also need note-taking apps, you can watch the next video, the best note-taking apps for Android. Bye!